In this video, we're going to show you how to adjust a multi-slide door. On each panel what's operable, you have two adjustments on the right and left side. So what you have to do is on the bottom, you need a long 4mm Allen key in order to reach the wheels. So you slide the Allen key in here and adjust it up or down. And that's the same thing for the other side. Allen key on the bottom here, and then it just goes up or down. So that's for every operable sash. What it does, there's wheels on the bottom of the sash, and what it does, it just raises up the sash by turning one way. It raises up the sash, and the other way brings the sash down.